My name is Brian. I'm a cartoonist. This is Bill. He's a science guy. We work on this science column for this science magazine. He answers the questions sent in by readers, and I draw pictures to go with it. But sometimes us non-science people are still confused. So I thought, maybe if we saw this science stuff in action, that would help. Unfortunately, we don't have access to nuclear reactors or rocket ships or his wife's kitchen anymore. So animating the science stuff was probably our best choice. Here's one we did for the column on Analemma. For activity 1, you'll need a large ball, such as a beach ball or a Swiss ball, a table lamp without a shade, and a small action figure, like a Lego person. A Lego person.
Psst, down here. How you doing?
The large ball is going to play the part of the Earth, so you need to designate one point on the ball as the North Pole, say like the plug where you blow it up. The action figure is going to play the part of you. You need to tape the action figure onto the side of the ball. The lamp is going to play the part of the sun, so you'll need to darken the room so it's the only source of light. Now, position the action figure, or your head if you don't have an action figure, on the side of the ball, away from the lamp, so you can't see the sun. You're going to slowly rotate the ball, moving the action figure, or your head, until you can just see the light bulb appear. Before we get too far, let me explain the term up. Up is straight out from the center of the ball, through the action figure's head and beyond, no matter where it is standing. This definition applies to the Earth too. To help you picture this, we'll move the camera into this position. For activity 2, put yourself and your action figure so that it's noon, meaning the sun is directly overhead. Keeping your Earth where it is, rotate it slowly counterclockwise as you look down from the top of the ball until it's once again noon with the sun overhead. For activity 3, you're going to move the Earth in a more realistic motion. While you rotate your Earth, you're going to move a short distance along a path that will take you in a circle around the lamp. Stop the rotation of the Earth when it has gone one revolution relative to the room. That means if the head of your action figure was pointing toward a wall, or a couch, or another piece of furniture, you should stop when it is pointing toward it again. You may think the Earth revolves around the sun like this, but you'd be wrong. It actually moves in an ellipse. This is close, but still not quite correct. The speed at which the Earth moves around the sun actually changes. It moves slower far away from the sun and faster close to the sun. For activity 4, place your action figure, or put your head, or both, on the equator of your Earth, halfway between the North and South poles. Tilt the poles of the Earth about 23 degrees, and rotate the Earth while in one place. Now move your Earth 1/4 of the way along the path it takes around the sun. As you do this, keep the tilt of the Earth constant with respect to the walls of the room. Rotate the Earth so it is again high noon. Now move your Earth another 1/4 of the way along the path. Keep going another 1/4 of the way, and another 1/4. Okay, so what is analemma? It's the apparent pattern the sun traces in the sky due to the tilt of the Earth relative to the sun and the revolution of the Earth around the sun. In other words, if you were to photograph the sun at the same time throughout the year, you'd see the position of the sun makes a figure 8 pattern.
And cut. That's a wrap, everybody.
Hey, you guys, wait for me.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
You guys go ahead. I'm just gonna lay here until the world stops spinning.